Are you tired of pricking your finger every day just to check your blood sugar? Imagine if a simple tattoo could do that for you, changing color to show what's happening inside your body without any pain or hassle. Today, we're diving into how scientists from MIT, Harvard, and other top places are creating these amazing color-changing tattoo inks. They can monitor diabetes and other health issues in real time, helping you catch problems before you even feel bad. Stick around because this could change how we stay healthy forever. Introduction to biosensing tattoos. Let's start with the basics. Biosensing tattoos are like regular tattoos, but instead of normal ink, they use special smart inks that act as tiny sensors. These inks react to changes in the fluid between your skin cells, called interstitial fluid. This fluid is a lot like your blood and can tell us about important things in your body. Teams at MIT and Harvard came up with this idea in a project called Dermal Abyss back in 2017. They replaced old tattoo inks with biosensors that detect stuff like glucose for blood sugar, pH for acid levels, sodium for salt, and even albumin for protein checks. These aren't just ideas. They've tested them on pig skin, which is very similar to human skin, and seen real-time color changes. For example, at the Technical University of Munich, scientists made tattoos that sense pH, glucose, and albumin too. Their inks change colors visibly, like from yellow to blue for pH shifts between 5 and 9. This means your tattoo could light up or shift shades to warn you about health changes right away. It's non-invasive, meaning no needles after the tattoo is done, and it could help millions who deal with ongoing health checks. If you're excited about future tech like this, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video on cool science breakthroughs. Thanks for watching so far. Your support helps us share more awesome stuff. The science of color-changing inks. Okay, let's get into the cool science behind it. These inks work through simple chemical reactions. For glucose, the ink has enzymes like glucose oxidase that mix with your body's sugar. When sugar levels go up, the ink shifts from blue to brown. It's like a mood ring, but for your health. For pH levels, which show if your body is too acidic or basic, they use dyes like methyl red and bromothymol blue. Methyl red turns from red to yellow as pH changes, and bromothymol blue goes from yellow to blue. In tests, a pH sensor tattoo changed from purple to pink when the body's acid-base balance shifted, signaling things like dehydration or infections. Sodium sensors glow brighter green under UV light when salt levels rise, and albumin inks change to show protein issues. All this happens because the inks bond with molecules in your interstitial fluid, causing visible color swaps. Studies from Harvard show these changes are accurate and match blood tests closely. It's proven tech from real labs, not just sci-fi. Glucose monitoring applications. Now let's talk about diabetes, which affects over 400 million people worldwide. Traditional checks means poking your finger multiple times a day. Ouch! But with these tattoos, the ink reacts to glucose ups and downs instantly. In MIT's tests, the glucose ink turned from blue to brown as sugar rose from 5 to 110 millimoles per liter. This could end finger pricks forever. Apps are being made to scan your tattoo with your phone and read the colors, giving exact numbers. One study showed these sensors match standard glucose monitors, helping diabetics stay in control without pain. For kids or anyone who hates needles, this is a game changer. Research from Germany at Munich University even made reversible glucose tattoos that work over and over. Proven facts say this could lower diabetes complications by catching issues early. What if your tattoo saved you from a sugar crash? Keep watching to see more. pH detection and health implications. pH is like your body's balance scale. Too low means acidosis from things like lung problems. Too high is alkalosis from kidney issues. These tattoos track it with color shifts. Using dyes like phenolphthalein, the ink goes from colorless to pink as pH rises. Harvard tests showed multi-dye mixes detect tiny changes linking to health problems like diabetes or infections. One research paper found pH tattoos spot acidosis early, which can save lives in hospitals. For athletes or sick people, this means real-time alerts. Studies prove pH imbalances cause fatigue or worse, but these inks could prevent that by showing changes before symptoms hit. Sodium and albumin sensing for broader diagnostics. Sodium checks are big for hydration. Low salt means dehydration, high means heart strain. The ink glows green under UV as sodium climbs, tested up to 200 millimole per liter in labs. This helps runners or workers stay safe. Albumin sensors turn colors for low protein, signaling kidney or liver trouble. Munich's team used special dyes that change visibly for levels up to 5 grams per liter. Facts from studies show this expands monitoring to whole body health, not just sugar. Together, these make tattoos a full health dashboard. Emerging advancements in electronic and smart tattoo sensors. Fast forward to 2025-2026, things are getting even cooler. At UT Austin, graphene-based tattoos are ultra-thin patches that stick on like stickers. They detect sweat biomarkers for stress, blood pressure, and even brain waves via EEG. One 2025 study showed a forehead e-tattoo measures mental strain without bulky gear. Logic Ink's smart tattoos change for cortisol spikes, turning red when stress hits. These use AI to interpret data, going beyond colors to embedded sensors for temperature, heart rate, and more. Munich's team in 2025 won awards for hormone sensing tattoos. These non-invasive wearables are the future, with markets growing fast by 2035. Current limitations and future potential. But it's not perfect yet. Most tests are on animals or skin models, no big human trials. Some inks change only once, not reversible, and accuracy needs AI help. Challenges like fading, allergies, or data privacy exist. The future? Ongoing research aims for multiplexed tattoos, sensing many things at once, with apps for phones. This could lead to personalized medicine, like in hospitals or daily life. By 2030, we might see FDA-approved versions. Outro. Thanks so much for watching this deep dive into biosensing tattoos, the future of health monitoring. If you learned something new, give it a like, subscribe for more, share with friends, and comment below, would you get one? Your engagement helps the algorithm spread this to more viewers. See you next time.